Welcome to the mix and good morning, guys. And here we have a video with an update from the father of the kids that died in the fire. He's giving an update on his daughter that survived. He's saying that she is talking, and now the doctors are asking for voice notes of people he may have known, and those people should not mention their names in the voice notes so that they would try to test her to see if she is lacking memory. So let's pray that this child will remember, and that she has a speedy recovery. Now go watch a video, and also keep her in your prayers.
Update since she's in Atlanta now.
Yes. First, I must say,
You can hear me better?
thanks be to God, and thanks be to the San Marina Foundation. They have done a tremendous job, and thanks for the doctors or the nurse that have participated to saving my one child, my one daughter life. And I've been in dialogue with her, and the doctor is being in dialogue with me. And the last info I got on her today was she's talking, and yeah, she's talking, and yes,
What?
and they asked me to get some voice note from people that she would know, but persons that gonna send the voice note, they must not put their name in. Just make a voice note, because they're gonna test her ability of remembering people. Right, so that's the way they're gonna do it. So I called my mom, where she used to stay in St. Elizabeth, some of her friends, and they make some voice clips and send it to me, and I forward it back to them. So they send me back that is okay, thanks. So I'm waiting on confirmation from them. Yes.
Thank the Lord. So
Yes.
that is progress, because she was conditioned before,
Yes.
and now, so we do give thanks.
Yes.
So who is
Mr.
now?
Joseph.
The folks from San
He's
Marino family
he's a good Samaritan. Trust me, man. Yo.
Yes.
The man, trust me. Yo, we can't find no words for really explain that guy. Because from I leave in Westmoreland, while I was in Kingston, doing all the ups and downs, it was me and him and one of my cousins. And trust me, minutes, upon minutes. So, me not really, I cried a lot, I cried a lot because everybody mourn at them own space and take things different. And the reason for me not being in the hospital now, I wish not to see my next 3 kids in the state that they were in at the fire. I choose not to go there, because I know if I go there, I'm gonna repeat that image in my head, and it gonna tears me down. So I choose not to see them. Right. So I choose not to really see them. And even my daughter, when I went to SAV, when she's once in SAV, I choose not to see her. So when she was going away now, and I went there, the doctor just tell me that I have to speak to her and I have to see her. So I asked him if I'm gonna see her body, like the burns and stuff, and he told me no. So that's where I get the courage and the strength to really go and look at her. And when I go there, I look at her, I just cry, because I know my child. And she was like, when I went in the room and I call her, I said, Pinky, and she just nod her head like this. I said, Daddy's here, and she nod again. And I told her that the plane is outside and she's gonna get better. And she nod again, and I just break down, and I have to just get out the room. I couldn't say nothing more. I was like, I want a different space. And
I understand.
me grieve
God. Like me can't sit still because it's like me
I
literally
grieve different.
have so much empathy for you. Me feel like
Everybody grieve different.
imagining our
I
body.
grieve different because we have to be
My
grieving at the
God.
same time, focus at the same time because I'm me alone. Them not call nobody else about no information, about nothing at all to sign. Nobody.
Yes.
Dad alone.
So the thing is, understand something. You were a father doing this on your own, so every information will coming from you will have to be coming from you. So to be processing the death of easy. So guess what? You see all of the critics them who are gonna say, oh, him should have done this and that. You can't listen to people that don't say you know where you have to do, like me and
Because
others are here
basically, you
to
know,
help you do
I've been
that.
taking care of my daughter. If you say people really know the struggles when we go through, when my daughter born, you know, the mother for the child, hide the child from me 2 years or you know. I couldn't find her, you know.
Let us clarify something before we come off the live.
I hardly
So
can hear you,
your
you know.
daughter's
Your
mother,
volume drop.
your daughter is your first child.
Go again, try something again.
You hear me now?
Yeah. Yeah.
So your daughter's mother, your daughter is your
Yes,
first
yes. Two
child.
different mothers.
And your daughter's mother is different from your son's
Yes.
mother. Right. So
Yes,
so
and
it's
one
two
little girl.
mothers for the 4 children.
Yes.
One lady with 3 boys and one lady with 1 girl.
No, it's the
So
boys.
the lady who is missing is not the mother of the girl. Right. So she's your first baby mother. So she
When
didn't let you have the child till after 2
when
years.
I
And
found
then
out,
what happened?
I get a news that she was like living somewhere. So I went to the police and I showed them, say the lady just take the child and you can't find her over so many years. So the police them go down there and them corral the place and them find the child and whatever. And from there I take it to court and the court grant me supervision, as in because the child was going to a school in South, I only receive the child on weekends, like Friday evening. So when I go back to radio on Sundays, I would bring the child with me. Yeah. So we did it for 2 weeks. And from the 2 weeks, I give her this Sunday and she came back on the same Sunday, say she was going somewhere, she will come back for her. And from that day until today, and me have the daughter alone. This guy have the daughter alone.
And people know this. All right, so people know this, so nobody can company live or know where
I go to the first school.
In Augusta.
First little
what
tiny,
age
tiny
you
school.
say you have her from?
That's about like 2 plus when I 3 little bit.
But,
Right,
but
that's
what
right
age? 3? Okay. All right, so you've been raising her on your own for that
no,
time.
the mother,
and what
the
about
mother is
the mother?
around.
Because the mother is not a missing
around,
person,
but
right?
she's like, she doesn't like, now come forth. She not come up forth, like, help, she not do nothing.
Absent. Okay, so
yes,
she's
an absent mother.
So you're saying she's an absent mother then? All right, so okay, so you look over that and doing your thing with the child.
13 and some,
the child living with you. How old is she? 13?
Trust me.
All right. Anything else you want to say about your daughter?
I go through and the way how the way how me and her go through and the ups and downs when me have to go through with her to really have her and me